done in our last classes. Keep your things aside. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Farzan, sit properly. Everyone sit straight. First, we do a quick recap what we have done in our last classes about the chapter number 8, carts and wheels. In this chapter, we were learning about the circle. So let's have a recap on what we have learned about the circle. So first, I will present you my video. Just tell me whether it is audible and visible.
Okay. Ma'am, tomorrow.
Yes, my dear.
I sent you tomorrow. Cards and wheels.
Okay, we will discuss it later on, Ayush.
Ma'am, it is visible, but can you start video?
Look at these vehicles which move on wheels.
Now it is
The
audible.
wheels are round in shape.
Okay.
Look at these objects. They are also round in shape. Round objects can be used to trace circles.
This also we have done. We have also traced the circle with the round objects in our past classes. See, if you take this small round object, you will get the small circle. If you take the big round object, you will get the big round circle.
Do you know that rope and nails can also be used to make a circle? Let's see how a circle can be made using a rope and two nails. Make sure you don't hurt yourself while holding the nail. Ria is holding a nail to which one end of the rope is tied. Nigel is holding another nail to which the other end of the same rope is tied. Ria has pushed the nail into the ground. Nigel is holding the stretched rope in line with the ground. He is dragging the nail around Ria to form a circle. And here the circle is formed. The length of the rope is the radius of the circle. Now, let's learn to use a compass to draw a circle accurately. Hold the compass from the top. Press the tip of the compass on the paper to make a mark. Don't move the tip. Move the pencil around. Stop where you have started. You have drawn a circle. The mark where you had kept the tip of the compass is the center of the circle.
This is called what? When you have this point. This is the center of the circle. Very good. Can you switch off your mics now?
Circle. The distance from the center of the circle to any point.
This is called what? The distance from the center to any point of the circle.
Radius.
Very good.
How do we find the center of the circle? Look at this circle. Fold this into half.
If you have remembered this activity also we have done.
Fold it again like this. Now, open the folded circle. You can see two creased lines crossing each other. The point where
These two lines are what, my dear children?
Diameter.
Very good. Very good. And where they are meeting at this point, where my cursor is, this is the excellent.
is the center of the circle. Let's summarize. You have learned to recognize the shape of a circle, trace and sketch circles, draw circles accurately using compass, Identify the center and the radius of the circle.
Till now, clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Again, just a minute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my ma'am.
वो स्क्रीन बिल्कुल दिख ही नहीं रही है क्यों को मैम.
Ma'am, she has to present on my screen. Okay. Children, my screen was visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Swati ma'am, it was visible. Yeah, now I'm not presenting anything. But when I was presenting, Dharya said properly.
Then that was
Perfectly visible and audible.
Okay. Okay, let's have a recap on another topics of a circle, parts of a circle. Again, I'm going to present you something. Stop, Mohit, and switch off your mic.
Consider a circle with a center O and two
Swati ma'am, this is visible and audible.
points A and B lying anywhere on the boundary of the circle.
And visible also and audible also.
Okay, thank you.
The segment joining them is called a chord. It is defined as the line segment joining any two distinct points on the circle. Let's experiment a bit with chords of this circle with center O. To understand an interesting concept, we start drawing horizontal chords from the bottom. First chord, second, third, and this is the fourth chord, which
Children, this fourth chord is also known as what? Okay. I will tell the child name. That child only will answer me. Because if I ask randomly, okay. Khush Ahuja. Khush Ahuja. Khush Ahuja, you are there?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Khush, I will show you. I will present my screen to you. Can you please tell me which is the longest chord?
Yes, ma'am.
The first one, second one, third one, or the fourth one?
Yes.
Which one? Which one, Khush Ahuja?
Ma'am, the fourth one.
And this is called what also? Chord also, and one more name is there?
Diameter.
Diameter. Why this is only the diameter, the third one is not the diameter?
Because the center of the circle is the fourth one.
Okay, because this fourth one is passes from the center of the circle.
Yes.
Children, is he correct?
Yes.
Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
to-
ma'am.
No mic on. Yes, show me thumbs up. Okay, I will go back again.
passes through the center. We can see that the length of the chord was constantly increasing as we went higher and higher. Then as we continue further up, the length of the chord started decreasing. What does this tell us? It tells us that the chord that passes through the center is the largest chord of that circle. It is called the diameter. Let us name it chord AB.
Diameter is also the largest chord of the circle.
Chord AB is called the diameter. It was simple. Any chord that passes through the center is called the diameter. How many diameters do you think a circle can have? A circle
Can anyone guess how many the diameters? Please raise your hand. I can see you. Raise your hand if yes, Vihan. Can you please tell me how many diameters a circle has?
So many. How much radius are there if we multiply, if we divide the radius numbers by 2, that much 54. There.
Can you give me the exact word?
Ma'am, I think 34.
No.
Ma'am,
Can anyone
24.
add?
Ma'am,
No.
uncountable.
Yes. An uncountable can be word. One more word is there for the word uncountable.
Unlimited. Unlimited.
Infinite. Have you heard about this? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Infinite.
Can have infinite diameters. Remember, every chord that passes through the center is called a diameter. It may be placed like chord AB, or like this, or maybe like this. Here's another interesting question. Can we write the diameter of a circle in terms of its radius? Let's say the radius is our units. We know that OA and OB are the radii of the circle. OA will equal r units and OB
Short
will
form of
also
radius
equal
is r.
units. And since the diameter AB is a line segment and point O lies on it, we can write it as OA plus OB. We wrote this length as the sum of these two lengths. That will equal r plus r, which gives us 2r.
If we want to find out the diameter, so we will add 2 radius, we will able to find out the diameter. For example, from O to B is 2 centimeter and from O to A is also 2 centimeters. So what will be the diameter, children?
4.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
AB is the diameter and the diameter of a circle is twice its radius.
This also we have learned in our last classes, so it just was a recap. So now you all are ready for today's activity. Yes. So can everyone show me the things I told you to bring in the class? Plate, thread and the ruler.
Ma'am, what centimeter thread?
No measurement. I didn't told you how much centimeter thread. You have to bring a roll of a thread. Everyone ready?
Yes, ma'am.
And can everyone please switch off their mics? It's
Ma'am,
my
see roll
request.
of a thread. Roll of a thread.
Yes, man. I have.
I have a blue roll of the thread. Blue.
Yes.
Give me a minute. Ma'am, give me a minute. I take my thread and plate. Ma'am, can I get?
Yes.
want also scissor.
No. Now switch off your mics.
Ma'am, I also bring my dish.
Before starting that, I will show you the one video on this activity.
Ma'am, we have to bring a paper plate or a.
No, any plate. Okay.
Ma'am, this place is okay.
Yes. Now just check. Again, I am going to show
Ma'am,
you something.
this plate.
Children, I am not seeing anyone's now. Sorry, stop now. Plate means any kind of a plate which I have mentioned in the classroom. Now come back. Trisha, please guide me whether it is visible.
Circles.
This is audible?
Rectangles.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Triangles.
Okay.
To name a few. Can you name some objects?
Again,
that
I
has the
will
shape of a
play it
circle?
from the beginning.
We see a lot of objects with different shapes every day. Circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, to name a few. Can you name some objects that has the shape of a circle? Do you notice that all these objects are circular? Let's learn about circle and the terms related to a circle. When David went to the dining table, he saw that his daughter Maya looking worried. When asked for the reason, Maya told that she has a test on circles, but she could not understand the concepts. David consoled her and told her that he will teach the concepts. Both went to the dining table and David started explaining about circles. David told that A circle is a closed figure made up of only one curved line, which is
No.
at the same distance from a fixed point inside it, called the center of the circle. Maya was puzzled to hear the definition and said,
Daddy, I don't understand.
"This plate is in circle shape. See, a circle is a closed figure made up of a single curved line, which is at the same distance from a fixed point called center."
Now I understand what a circle is, Dad.
Come on, Maya. Let's learn some more definitions related to circle. The length of the curved edge of a circle is called its circumference.
This is called what? If we measure the outer border. Yes, if we measure with the thread which I told you.
Circumference.
Yes, my dear. Now listen to me. See, how to measure the circumference? Hold this thread. Hold the thread at the one end and bring it round. Bring it round, complete round it properly and come to the another end. Hold it like this and
Ma'am,
no, don't start. Don't start. Just see how I am doing. First, you have to take the thread and then you have to take hold the thread at the one end and then keep on rounding it. Keep on rounding it and then after rounding, suppose your measurement is coming till here. You have measured till this much thread, right? Now, how you will know that what is the circumference of your this plate? You take the measuring tape, take the ruler and start from the 0 and measure it on that ruler. How much is coming? Am I clear to everyone? This way.
yeah, ma'am. Should we start?
No,
I couldn't
I will give
hear
you
you
time.
because my network was lost. So can you tell what we have to make?
We are not doing right now anything. You just see the video and then we will clear it out.
A line segment that joins two
See,
points
again,
on
I
the
will
circle
show you
is
how
called
to
its
measure.
circumference. Come
See
on,
how
Maya.
they are measuring.
Let's learn some more definitions related to circle. The length of the curved edge of
See
a
how they are
circle is
measured.
called its circumference. A line segment that joins two points on the circumference
This
of the
is what,
circle
my dear children?
is called a chord. A line segment
Chord. A line. Yes, chord. And we can measure the chord also of your plate.
of the circle is called a chord. A line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on its circumference is called its radius. When a line segment passes through the center of the circle, such that its end point lies on the circumference,
This way you
then
will
it is called
measure your diameter, your plate's radius, because your plate is in a circle shape. That's why I told you to bring a plate in your life class to do the activity so that you may remember it. What is the diameter, how to measure the diameter of the circular objects, what is the radius, what is the chord, and how to measure them also.
the diameter of the circle.
Ma'am, we have to write the measurements in the notebook.
When I will tell you to start measuring, then you have to write.
Concepts,
Can I take a
Maya got a doubt and asked,
Can you please wait?
Daddy, diameter is formed by joining the two ends of a circle circumference. So is it also called a chord?
Daddy replied, You are right, Maya. Yes. Diameter is also a chord.
And it is the longest
It is
chord.
the longest chord of a circle. Now Maya knows that the circumference is the length of the curved edge of a circle. A chord is a line segment that joins 2 points on the circle. The diameter of a circle is a chord passing through the center of the circle. And the radius is a line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. Circle is a line segment joining.
Now, children, everyone, please hold their plates in their hands and write in your notebook circumference. Draw your page, divide your page into 4 equal parts. For example, see, I have taken this notebook. Divide your notebook into 4 equal parts. First, fold it so that you will get the 2 equal parts of your page, and then divide this page into 4 equal parts. And in the first part, you write the number 1 and write circumference, and then take your plate, measure your circumference with the thread, and then measure it on the ruler and write the correct measurement in the centimeters in your notebook. Then take, please let me complete it, Vivan. So start doing about the circumference, children, then I will explain you about the second part. So please hold your thread, hold this plate and start measuring the circumference of your plate. And everyone, it will be differ because some have some.
Can you repeat what you said?
Jishna, where were you? You were in the class, no?
Ma'am, means I have to draw a plate in my notebook.
You no need to draw. You have to first divide the page of your notebook into 4 equal parts.
Yes, ma'am, I can do in only 2 equal parts.
With the ruler, you can divide into the 4
Yes.
from the middle. Yes.
Renu ma'am, my maths notebook is this big. So what do I do? I
Which
made
child is-
very big.
Which child is this?
There, yeah.
There, it's okay. You divide it into 4 equal parts
Okay. And I write circumference.
and you write circumference only. No need to draw the plate. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vivan.
ma'am, I have only this much book, so I need to use this small plate.
I am saying you no need to draw in the notebook. You
Excuse
just
me,
have to
ma'am.
write the
In
heading.
one,
Circumference.
ma'am, one block we have to write circumference, or it's a heading.
No, in one block you have to write circumference. You just write at the heading parts of a circle. Measuring the parts. Measuring the, please switch off your mic, children. Ayansh, switch off your mic. Vihan, switch off your mic. Write today's rate and write the heading. Measure parts of a circle, in bracket write plate, because here the circular object is plate. And then in the first block you write circumference, and then measure the circumference of your plate with the help of a thread or a wool which you have. Measure, hold it at the one point and bring in a round object closer and round it and measure the circumference.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am,
Nitai.
it is 60 centimeter.
You don't need to.
Mine is 95 centimeters.
Please write in the chat box. Write in the chat box.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of circumference?
I will show you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
This is the spelling of circumference. C-I-R-C-U-M-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Circumference.
I can't hear you.
Which child is this? Which child is this? Please tell me your name.
Can't hear you. Yes, this side.
Yes, Desai, log out and log in again. Everyone can hear me. Trisha, you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Please, yes, log out and log in again.
Ma'am, we can divide like this. You can see this.
No, I have mentioned clearly divide the page into 4 equal parts. Yes, this is okay, Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am, now I can hear you.
Write the heading circumference and measure the circumference of your plate with the help of the thread and the ruler and write it down how many centimeters, and please write the answer in the chat box after writing in the notebook. Then come to the next part. Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, the spelling of circumference.
How many times I will show you, Vivan, the spelling of circumference? How many times, you tell me? Now please write it fast. CIRCUMFERENCE, circumference. Done now, Vivan? Okay. And then next, now measure the diameter of your circle. What you have to measure? No, not the diameter. You have to now measure the chord of your plate. What you have to measure? Tell me. Please write in the chat box. Next, what you have to do? Chord. You can measure the chord from down also. You can measure it from the right side also. See here. Take one end from the at the circumference like this and touch to the next end point of the same circle. You can measure like this also. You can measure from down also and up also. You all know how to draw a chord. Okay. Any one chord, measure and write the answer in the centimeters, because you are measuring right now in the centimeters. Your plate is not that much big that the measurement will come in the meters. Am I clear to everyone? Please write the answer in the chat box and write in your notebook also. Now after the chord, measure the diameter of your plate. It can be horizontal also, it can be vertical, but it should pass from the center. So you all know how to measure the diameter. See, if I hold this plate like this and I am measuring this passing from the center of my plate, this will be my diameter of my plate. And please write the measurement of your diameter. Measure it on the ruler also. See, I will measure the diameter like this. And then I will measure it on my ruler also. Starting from 0. It is 15 centimeter. My diameter is 15 centimeter. Can anyone guess if my diameter is 15 centimeter, what will be my radius of this plate?
Ma'am, my diameter is also 15 centimeters.
So Anushka, what will be the radius of your plate?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, it will be 7.5.
Very good. 7.5. Because you have to divide the 15 with the 2. Khush, now you understood? Khush Ahuja? Yes. Please write in your notebook what is the circumference. Please, Karna, Farzan, you are doing your activity. Write the answer.
30 plus 27.
Ayush, switch off your mic.
Ma'am.
Yes, Twisha.
After radius, we have to write the chord.
You have to write the chord is already done. Diameter, then radius. These are the 4 things you have to mention in your plate and measure them.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if my diameter is 19.5 centimeter, then
Yes.
my radius will be 9.5.
9.5. Yes, no 9.5. It is less than 9.5.
Then 9 centimeter.
9.25 around this. Yes. Because you know that in the ruler, the gap between this one number to the another number is how many small lines? How many millimeters are there?
Ma'am,
Yes.
but I'm doing, then it is coming 9.5 centimeter.
9.5 plus 9.5 if we will do, then it will be 19. No, 9 plus, yes, it will be 19 centimeters. And you have 19.5, right? Yes, Prisha?
Ma'am.
Your answer will be around 9.7.
Ma'am.
9.7 and in between 8,
Ma'am.
it will shift. Yes, Migdad.
Ma'am, can you send this video?
You have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, yes, no video will be sent. You please log out and log in again.
Ma'am, we have to send the photo of. Ma'am, yes, now
Yes,
I can hear you.
you have to send me the photo which you have done
I'm on email.
on classroom assignments.
Okay.
I will post it, then you have to send me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, see.
Yes, how much is it? Very good. Chord is 15 centimeter. And what is the diameter? Okay. And what is the circumference of your?
42 centimeter.
Okay. Please do it, children.
Ma'am, I will click the picture and send you.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Lucky.
can you see
Everyone has to send me the work.
Excuse
Okay.
me. Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
can you see
Tisha.
it?
Yes,
Ma'am, now
Tisha.
we have to paste the threads in this, or we have to leave it like this.
No, no, leave the thread. Thread, you have to take it. Just for the measurement, we have done this. Okay.
Yes.
So you have learned today how to measure the diameter and the radius of the circular objects. Yes or no? Yes or no, children?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
please open your
Yes,
textbook,
ma'am.
children? Please open your textbook. Page number, we will do the textbook exercises.
Ma'am, page number.
Open page number 81.
Ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yes, tell me, Vihan.
Ma'am, if my diameter is 13.5 centimeter, then how much my radius will be?
What is the, when you divide it with 13.5 with 2, what you will get?
Ma'am, 13.5 divided by 2. Ma'am, it will be the 6.5.2.5.
It will be 6.5 and 6.5 is 36.7 around.
Ma'am,
Okay.
if my radius is 19.5 centimeters, so what will be my, if my diameter is 19.5 centimeters, so what will be my radius?
See, you just check your ruler. Check your ruler. If you children get confused, you know how to measure the 0.5. See your ruler.
Yeah.
And now see where the 19.5 is going. What is the half of this? Switch off the mic, Darren, and check.
Ma'am, I think so. 75. Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, now I know answer. What is 13.75? Ma'am, can I say?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Vihan.
the answer is, ma'am, the radius of diameter 13.5 centimeter is 6.75 centimeter. Ma'am, 75 is millimeter.
Next. Dharya.
Ma'am, which page number of... Ma'am, the area's answer is 9.75 centimeter. Ma'am, which radius? Ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, which page number of textbook?
81.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush, tell me.
I think that the longest chord should be circumference.
No. Circumference is the outer border of your circle.
But it joins two circumferences.
It joined the point
But it
coming
joined
to
two.
yeah, but the longest chord is not the circumference. Yes?
Yes. Ma'am, time is up.
Yeah, it's okay. We have extra time today. I will just give you a brief on your textbook explanation. Please open your textbooks. Just a minute, children. My screen. Everyone, please open your page number 81 and please hold pencil in your hands. Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू टैक्योनिक्स नेक्स्ट अब हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर
Children, is this audible?
करने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल में नए हो तो हमारे चैनल
मैम वेरी स्लो आप हमारे चैनल पर आए हो ऐसा
Okay, okay. So I will not. Okay. Now check. We will see that in this chapter we are doing carts and wheels, and in this chapter we have checked many different types of wheels in the bus, wheels in tractors, small wheels, big wheels, right? And here also one girl is making chapati, that also round in shape. Now comes what are wheels? A circular object that revolves on an axle and is fixed below a vehicle or other object to enable it to move easily around the ground. This is the wheel. Definition of the word wheel. So you can see the wheels in different things. Now turn the page. No, and down also the potter is making the pots. So here also he is using a circular thing. You must have seen many such round things around you. List some more in your notebook. We have done already this also. So list this round things, right? We have done or not? Yes or no?
yes
Yes. Come down. Here also, have you ever gone to a bangle shop? There are different sizes of bangles. I cannot wear these bangles. These are too small. Guess which of these bangles is of your size? Girls, can you please guess? This is just a guessing. Which one will come to you? Yes, Lamha. Lamha, can you please guess?
Ma'am, the biggest size for me.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So here it is written also. Now it will come also that your size and your teacher size is also. It's same or the different, children?
Different, ma'am.
Yes.
Different.
Yes,
Ma'am,
because your teacher's wrist size is
Different.
bigger and your wrist size, you when you go to market, you buy the wrist watches, right? So this is called the wrist, kalai. In Hindi, we call it kalai. So when it is small, you will get the small bangle and your teacher is having a big wrist. So it will be a bigger size. Take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Can your teacher wear this bangle? Can Swati ma'am wear if Lama will make a bangle?
no, ma'am.
No. Can I will able to wear it?
No, ma'am.
No, because your wrist size and my wrist size is different.
Different.
A bangle can be used to trace a circle. What are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle? We have done
A
this
bottle
activity
cap.
also. Yes, a bottle cap. And
Ma'am,
can you
a
please
kadu.
name kada? Okay, you call it bangle also. And what else? We have done this activity. You brought the round objects and you all have done this.
Plate.
Pen, pen cap, plate, and
Compass.
compass you have used, but I am telling what's the object, circular objects.
Round bowl. Round box.
Bowl, yes.
Box.
Plate,
Round
box, okay. Bowl. And now trace a circle with the help of some of these things in your notebook that we have already done in our notebook. Which thing make the smallest circle out of these which you have named? Pan cap, and the plate will make the bigger circle, right? Now come to the next page. Games with circle.
Ma'am.
We have, yes, Ayush, tell me.
Like this, ma'am. As my mother is a jeweler, like she has a bangle size. This is the smallest bangle.
Your voice is cracking.
And this is the biggest bangle.
Okay, you are showing something?
And this is the smallest. I know how to make
Okay.
round circle. Yes. Without
Yeah,
no
see the
without a
different
bangle.
sizes. See the different sizes. Yes, Lakshya, wait a minute.
Ma'am.
Lakshya, wait a minute, my dear.
And this is
Yes, Ayush, very good, very good. Yes, Lakshya, tell me.
smallest bangle. This is the. This is the smallest string.
Yes, Lakshya, tell me.
Ma'am, I know how to make ground on the
On ground, yes.
on ground with the round. We do exercise with this exercise
With the rope, yes. Or with
without.
Okay, without rope. Okay, now Ayush, can you tell me the radius of which circle, which bangle will be bigger? The small or the big? Ayush, I am asking from you, please. Mohit, switch off your mic. Man Rajodia, switch off your mic. Yes, Ayush. Can you tell me, you have different sizes of bangles, right? So the radius of which bangle will be bigger? The small bangle or the bigger bangle?
Ma'am, the bigger bangle, it's 4 centimeter, the radius.
No, I am just asking, not the measurement I'm asking. I'm just asking which is the bigger. It's okay, good. You have told that it's bigger one. And the circumference also, which big circles will be bigger or the small circles will be bigger?
Big.
Yes. So the diameter, radius, chord, circumference, everything will depend on the size of your circle. And if the circle is big, that also will be big. If the circle is small, then all the things, the diameter, the parts of all the circular parts will be smaller. If the circle is small, so the parts of that circle will be small. If the circle is big, the parts also will be
Big.
Yes. So we have discussed till here. Next we will do tomorrow. Games with the circle we will discuss tomorrow. So we end this session today here. Thank you, children.